In this BDRSuite How-To Series video, I will show you how to install Offsite DR on your Linux machine. Open your BDRSuite Backup Server console, enter your username and password, and click Sign In. Navigate to the Secondary Copy, Offsite DR menu, and click on Configure Offsite Copy DR. To download the Offsite DR, click the Download button. Download BDRSuite's Offsite DR Linux installer. Once you've completed the download, open your terminal, run the BDRSuite Offsite DR Server application by executing the installation command. Now enter Yes to proceed for the installation. Now review and accept the license agreement. Offsite DR and its components will be installed in the process. Enter Yes to proceed. You can install the BDRSuite Offsite DR Server by creating a new user with root privileges, or you can proceed with the installation using the current user's privileges. If you prefer to modify port, you can modify the port. If you're using the default port, enter Yes to proceed with the installation. BDRSuite Offsite DR Server is now successfully installed on your computer. You can access the BDRSuite Offsite Doctor console using the URL localhost:/6060. If you are accessing the BDRSuite Offsite Doctor console from another machine, use BDRSuite IP address :6060. You can access the BDRSuite Offsite DR console. The default username and password, both set to admin, will be auto-filled. Just click Sign In. Experience the full-featured version of BDRSuite Offsite DR in your environment with a 30-day free trial. Now open your Backup Server console to connect the Offsite DR server to the backup server. Navigate to Offsite DR option and enter the IP of the Offsite DR server, and click on Test Connection to test and establish connection between the BDRSuite server and the Offsite DR server. The connection is being tested. Now the connection between the Offsite DR server and the BDRSuite server have been successfully established, and the Offsite DR is successfully saved to the BDRSuite server. To know how to perform offsite backup copy configuration refer the video in the description. For more details, visit our website or contact BDR Support. Thanks for watching.